Hello students, this video is presented to you by Saloni Upadhyay, PRT KV Agra Kent. This video is about chapter 25 of class 4 EVS, that is spicy riddles. Through this video, you will get to know about the name of some common spices in English language, properties of various spices found in our kitchen, places where these spices are grown in abundance. You will also get to know about the state which is known as Spice Garden of India. So let us start our chapter with some spicy riddles. Here is the first riddle for you. I can be powdered fine to make food hot and spicy. If too much of me is added, I make you gasp, she. Your eyes and nose begin to water and you cry. Think and tell me, who am I? Tell me quickly, who am I? Yes, tell me, who am I? Yes, exactly. It is red chili, or we can call it as lal mirch in Hindi. It is a main ingredient used for adding hot flavor to the food. Now, can you tell me in which state it is majorly grown, or which state is the major producer of red chili? Don't you know? Well, I will tell you, it is Andhra Pradesh where red chili is grown in abundance. Andhra Pradesh is the major chili growing state in India. You can see this state on the political map of India. Okay, now let us just come to our next riddle, and here it is on your screens. Grind me and powder me. Grind me and powder me to make your food look yellow. I am mixed in oil by granny and applied to wounds quickly. I heal all wounds big and small. Listen to me. I heal all wounds big and small. That is why I am loved by all. Think and tell me, who am I? Quickly tell me, who am I? So yes, exactly, tell me, who is it? Right, it is turmeric, or we can call it as haldi in Hindi. It is used in cooking to add yellow color to our food. It helps to deal with skin problems. It can be used for healing cuts and wounds as explained in the riddle. It also makes coping with diabetes easier. Now, which state is the major producer of turmeric? Do you know? So I will tell you, don't worry. It is Telangana. Telangana state of India is the major producer of turmeric in India. Right? Okay. Now let us just come to our next riddle. And here is it. Here it is on your screen. Small and round like a pearl. Small and round like a pearl. I am black when I am whole. I can be powdered, coarse or fine. I can be powdered, coarse or fine. A sharp and spicy taste is mine. Whether it is salty or sweet. Whether it is salty or sweet, I am added as a special treat. Think and tell me, who am I? Quickly tell me, who am I? So, tell me, who is it? Don't you know? Okay, I will tell you. It is pepper, or we can call it as kali mirch in Hindi. It is used in cooking, especially for garnishing purpose. It helps coping with cold, cough, infections, etc. It helps to deal with muscle pain and digestive problems as well. So, which state is the major producer of pepper? Can you name it? No problem, I will tell you. Here it is marked on the political map of India, and this state is none other than Karnataka. Karnataka is the major pepper growing state in India. Okay, on your screen it is our next riddle, and it's just starting. I am small and shiny chap. I am small and shiny chap. Sometimes I am brown and sometimes I am black. Added to hot oil and ghee, I spread my fragrance all around me. When I am roasted, curd and jaljeera are favorite to me. So think and tell me who am I? Quickly tell me who am I? You can name this spice as you all would love to eat curd and jaljeera with the flavored with it. So what is it? Exactly. It is cumin seed, or we can call it as jeera in Hindi. It is used for cooking. As we all know, it is good source of iron and keeps immune system healthy. Water boiled with cumin seeds is good for coping with dysentery. Now, state where it is grown in abundance, it is none other than Gujarat. Which state it is? Gujarat. Gujarat is the state where it is grown in abundance. Okay, now let us just come to our next slide, and here it is. I look like jeera, though green am I. I look like jeera, though green am I. To make your stomach healthy, I always try. Eat me always after your meal. I refresh your mouth. You surely feel. I am reading it again. I look like jeera, though green am I. To make your stomach healthy, I always try. Eat me always after your meal. I refresh your mouth. You surely feel. I think and tell me, who am I? Quickly tell me, who am I? So, you can name it, or are you confused? Don't get confused. It is fennel, or we can call it as saunf in Hindi. Fennel seeds are mostly eaten after meals as their aroma works as breath freshener. Fennel is a good home remedy for many stomach problems. They also relieve chronic cough. Now, let us just come to our next riddle. Here it is on your screen. I look like a nail, but a bird am I. I look like a nail, but a bird am I. Chocolate brown color and a strong smell have I. When your toothache makes you shout, I soothe the pain in your mouth. Think and tell me, who am I? Tell me quickly, who am I? Think. Yes, you all are guessing right. It is clove, or we can call it as long in Hindi. It is used as a cooking ingredient mainly for seasoning or preparing masalas. Clove oil is beneficial for coping with toothache and sore gums. It is also beneficial remedy for chest pain, fever, digestive problems, cough and cold. So, on your screen, we are going to now discuss about the states that are major producer of clove and fennel. So, here you can see on the political map of India, the states that are marked with star. These are major fennel growing states of India, and I am naming them. You can see on the map, it is Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. Some parts of West Bengal we can say. And now the states that are marked with pink rectangle, these are major clove growing states of India, and I am naming them as well. It is Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and that's all. These three are the major clove growing states of India. You can also see some green circles, and these states are major mustard growing states of India. So we are going to discuss about mustard in next slides, but before that let us look which states are these where mustard is grown in abundance. Here it is grown in Gujarat, Rajasthan, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Meghalaya, Manipur, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. So, these are the states where clove, fennel, and mustard are grown in abundance. Okay, now let us just discuss about some other commonly used spices in our kitchen. So, on your screen, it is asafoetida. You can pronounce it as asafoetida, or we can call it as hing in Hindi. It is used for seasoning food, especially snacks, and has medicinal uses too. A good remedy for whooping cough and stomachache caused due to gas. Hing is very beneficial, and our mother use it in preparing every dish. You can see it in the kitchen as well. So, on your screen, these are bay leaves, or we can say it is bay leaf, tez patta in Hindi. It is used in cooking to add a specific flavor to the food. It also has some medicinal properties. Bay leaf oil possesses antifungal and antibacterial properties. Okay, on your screen, it is cardamom. I know you all might have recognized it, but you might be naming it as elaichi in Hindi. So, cardamom is the name in English, and we call it as elaichi in Hindi. It is used in most of the Indian and other sweet dishes to give a good flavor and smell. It is also used widely in pharmaceutical sector. Helps to control bad breath and digestive disorder. A whole cardamom chewed is good for coping with diabetes. Okay, on your screen it is dalchini, or we call it as cinnamon in English. It is used for mainly seasoning food and preparing masalas. It has medicinal uses too. It supports natural production of insulin and reduces blood cholesterol. On your screen, it is coriander, or we call it commonly as dhania in Hindi. Coriander leaves as well as coriander seeds are used in cooking. It also has some medicinal uses. It can be used externally on aching joints and rheumatism. It is also good for coping with sore throat, allergies, digestion problems, hay fever, etc. Now you are getting to know about spices, how medicinal they are and how beneficial they are for us. So we can conclude that spices are added in our food to give taste, to add smell, or because of their medicinal uses. Right? Now let us just discuss our next slide, which is about mustard, that is rai or sarso. It is used for seasoning as well as green leafy vegetable. We eat sarso, or it is used as green leafy vegetable, and its seeds are used as rai or mustard. The use of mustard oil is extensive in India. Mustard oil is good for body massage and even for getting good hair. It consists of omega-3 fatty acids. It is an excellent source of iron, zinc, manganese, calcium, protein, etc. So on your screen, it is nutmeg, or we call it as jaifal in Hindi. It is used in powdered form for garnishing and also for masala preparation. It is used in soaps, perfumes and shampoos. It can also be used for medicinal purpose. It is beneficial for the treatment of asthma, heart disorder and bad breath. On your screen, you all can recognize the most expensive spice in our kitchen, and exactly, you all are right. It is saffron or kesar. It is the most expensive spice in our kitchen. So, it is used for cooking as well as in beauty products. It is mainly used in sweet dishes. It has good medicinal properties. It helps to cope with skin diseases. It is a good remedy for cough, cold, and asthma. So now we are going to discuss about the state which is known as Spice Garden of India, and here it is on your screen. The Indian state known as the Spice Garden is none other than Kerala. Kerala is a small state full of hills and hillocks with stunning green sceneries. There are many spices growing naturally in abundance in the state. This is the reason why Kerala is known as a spice garden of India. The reason is that here the spices grow naturally. We don't grow them artificially. These spices grow naturally in the state. That is why this state is known as Spice Garden of India. You can see this state on the map of India. Here it is marked as green in color. So again we are discussing about the spicy riddles, and in this chapter we have learned that spices are added to our food for taste purpose, to add aroma or smell to our food, and for their medicinal uses, right? So thank you for watching this slide. This video is prepared by Saloni Upadhyay, primary teacher, Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2, Agra Kent, Agra. Thanks for watching this video.